Hi there. In this guide, we will go over the actions that you can do when selecting multiple items in the product list. This will help you understand what processes can be streamlined and be more time efficient with your user experience in Flawless. In this demo, we're starting in the product list module. First, we will need to select the items. You can do that by pressing the checkmark button on the left. In this video, we will select 3 items. To reveal possible actions, press the round action button in the top left corner. The first option is to bulk edit the selected products. The second option allows you to quickly create a simple MR for the selected items. The 2 following options allow you to quickly create a sales order or a purchase order for these items. Note that if you select items from different vendors, you will be asked to create multiple purchase orders. The next 3 options allow you to quickly create a wholesale proposal, a repair service job, or an appraisal. Note that every option here is essentially allowing you to omit other steps of going to specific modules to achieve the same goal. The last option we're going to talk about is called Print Tags. After pressing it, the new dialog named Print Product Labels is opened. We can see the list of our selected items as well as the quantity. It is defaulted to 1. But you can change it freely. You also need to make sure to select the correct tag printer. To submit a printing request, press OK. That's it for the overview of options of the round action button in the product details. Thanks for watching.